Alright, that just went off. Making meatloaf. I went ahead and put all the spices together. See my other video for the McCormick mix, what I feel it's made up of. And this doesn't have any fillers. Ricky just likes plain old meatloaf. He doesn't want breadcrumbs, crackers, what else? He just doesn't want anything else in it. He doesn't want diced up onions, bell pepper, nothing. So it's just meat, two eggs, and then the McCormick spice mix. So on top of all of this, before I put it in the oven, oh, and I did put some ketchup inside there, if you noticed on the pictures. Let's see if we can get some more out here. I just put a generous layer. And then I put some salt. And it's whatever favorite brand of ketchup. This is the Morton sea salt. And then just some pepper. And I'm going to go ahead and bake this about 45 minutes. I leave mine uncovered, but I'm here and I kind of keep a watch on it. But you can cover it up, check it in about 20 or 30 minutes. Make sure the center is not pink. Make sure it's done. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pop this in, and then I will go ahead and put another layer of ketchup on the top and add a little bit more salt and pepper on the top of it when it's done. So, but I'll show you some after pictures in just a few. Thanks for joining us.